Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Skin. It's so good to see you. Today I have the FENTY Cream blush. Now I was really excited about these because of the price point, which I shall just pop over here. Now I got more excited when I thought that they were huge. I wanted to go really crazy and go for the purple and such, but everything had sold out, so I got what I could. Bikini Martini. Let's talk about the size first. Ooh. Packaging is beautiful, really nice, and they are as tiny as they seem. It's not a bad thing. So you get 3 grams of product. I think one of my best comparisons has to be the MAC refill pan. So that's the size of the compact. 6 grams here, 3 grams here. Oh, there's a lovely mirror and everything. So I got Bikini Martini. It's a beautiful pink. These are said to be fresh, wash of colour, effortless blending, light as air, sweat resistant. So we'll see in a second. Then I got Crush on Cupid. I haven't done any blush, as you can see, because I wanted to test these out, and I've not powdered or anything because I need to keep it all cream base. The last one I got is Strawberry Dip. It's coming up quite orange on the camera, but it's actually like a red. So let's get some swatches on the hands first. That's Strawberry Dip. I feel like it has a coral. I feel like it has a coral situation. I use that word a lot, situation. Oh, now it's Crush on Cupid. See, one thing we forget is that when something's in the pan, the pigment is all in one place, so therefore it's going to look really strong, and then we worry, oh, that's not going to suit me. It's sometimes worth taking the risk just for fun. Wow. Bikini Martini. So this is Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. So I'd say this is quite pastel. So that's with 2 layers. Bikini Martini first. I'm going to use my fingers. See, I'm not afraid of blush, so if I get too much, I'll just blend it out, but always start with a little bit first. So it definitely is a wash of colour. I'm going to take that up slightly higher, use the other finger to blend. I quite like that. I'm going to add a bit more, just so you can see it on camera. Yeah, that's really nice. I would wear that every day. And you can always take a brush and blend the edges. So now, which one of these shall I try? A really good tip is when you're picking a blush, when we go back into stores after this is all over, if you hold a blush pan to your cheeks like this and decide which colour is doing more for me. So when I look at these, I feel like this one is going to be doing more for me than this side, but it's just a little tip. So if I show you with this we know is a contour colour, but look, that is going to be darker, and that is more lifting. I think I'm going to try the strawberry dip because Crush on Cupid is also pink. That is gorgeous, really nice. Obviously placement is very, very important. Can you see the difference? I know it's a different colour, but this is so much warmer. Colour correcting full coverage cream. I'm just going to cover up what we did so that I can show you the other blush. So be very gentle with your skin. I'm really loving the blushes. They do what they say they will. But let's just see how it wears until the end of the video. So I really want to thank you guys for entering the giveaway. I've had an amazing response. So let's try Crush on Cupid. I think these two are very similar, but this is quite hot, like magenta. So if you have redness or rosacea, stay away from the pink and red colours, even though you can put your foundation on, because you want to enhance the even skin tone rather than the redness. I quite like this colour too. I'm going to put on this side, I'm going to mix them. I'm going to put on some Bikini Martini. Because this Bikini Martini you could probably pop on top of everything. Yeah, that's fun. Do you know who would like this? My sister. She's just like, blush, blush, blush. It's not enough. And then add more. There's the swatches again. And what I would suggest is, after, obviously I didn't wear any bronzer or anything for you guys because I was going to test the colours, get some bronzer and then start mapping the edges and then start doing your bronzing so that everything's not just looking flat. So I'm also testing if this Fenty mixes with the powder that I'm putting on. Seems okay at the moment. Have you seen my NARS bronzing collection video yet? I review this in there, so it's worth checking out. Also, thank you again for everybody who's entered the giveaway. There's still time. The giveaway closes at the end of play on Sunday. All you have to do to enter is like the video of the giveaway, comment what product you'd like, and be subscribed to my channel. So I'm just going to put on some Fenty Fussy to finish off the look, some Orgasm highlight. Because obviously the whole vibe is skin-like finish. So my final thoughts. Yes, fantastic product. 3 grams each, £19 each. I think they're really cute to have. And if we're completely honest, how often do we finish a blush, or how often do we finish a cream product? I think these are totally worth it. If you want to give one a try first, yeah, I absolutely love these. Definitely worth snagging some of these. If I can try and get more colours, I'll do a part 2 to this video. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I have been collecting lots of luxury products to do as part of a huge giveaway. A big thumbs up to these new cream blushes.